Hey everyone, just wanted to take a moment to show you this beautiful spot here in Switzerland. Behind me is a crystal clear river and the air feels so fresh.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel 99 Reviews. Did you see the AI generated video I just showed? Well, guess what? You can create your own AI video for free, and I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open Google Chrome and type in one.google.com. Click on the first website that appears in the search results. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. Head to the top left corner and click on the upgrade button. After clicking upgrade, you'll be able to view all available plan details. Now click on more to see the complete list of packages. Look for the plan titled Google AI Pro. Once you find it, click Start Free Trial. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose a payment plan, either monthly or annually. Select monthly and hit Continue. Then agree to the terms and conditions. Next, you'll be asked to choose a payment method. Don't worry, it's free for the first month. Google may charge you a small amount, like a penny, just to verify the payment method. Once your account is activated, simply search Google Gemini. Open the Gemini website, and you'll see the layout. Click on the video option and then enter your prompt to generate your AI video. It usually takes just 1 to 2 minutes. I've also added the exact prompt in the video description to help you get started. Once your video is ready, just click download and you're done. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.
I'm right now at Times Square, USA, and honestly, this place is unreal. It's my very first time here, and the energy is just electric.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends and family who might want to try AI video creation. Thanks for watching.